Hello folks, this is Courtney Williams here. I'm just going to show you guys the the results of my backlinking programs that I was showing you earlier on. And here, and where I started it on the March the 8th, and I went to 328 views, and continually March 9th 1174 that one day, and I went down a little bit, 826. And you see there's consistent traffic here on the 13th with 921, 15th 934, and it jumped again to 1162 on the 16th of March 2025, and went down a little bit, but the average is roughly between 850 to roughly about 1200 1100 visits per day on this site of one of my websites. This is a back-end office, and I'm showing you analytics of the traffic that you could garner with this program that I offer the service for website traffic for any sites you have, whether it be servicing or products that you're selling. So, in a nutshell, here's the evidence, the results, and right now it's the 21st. We haven't reached the 22nd yet, so I'm expecting it to be roughly about between 900 and 1100 views hits for that website, which is tomorrow, the 22nd. So here you have it. All right, so peace out. Okay, folks, my name is Courtney Williams of Baseline Zone Marketing. I want to take you a tour to the programs, the many programs I use to get you streaming on your SoundCloud, legitimate streaming, with using backlink programs. Also, my service offers YouTube video views, also through backlinking programs, and re-indexing on expired 301. Thousands of re-indexing that gets you multitudes of traffic based on your keyword phrase. And so I'm going to go through all these programs that I could that I use in getting my clients views on their websites. The average views about 800 to 1200 views a day on their websites. Also, the average views on SoundCloud, legitimate views from backlinks, are roughly about the same, about 800 to 1200 streaming views per day, per track, per account, which roughly is about probably a couple hundred views a day on your SoundCloud track. So I offer SoundCloud legitimate views, not bots, views based on backlinks, with thousands of links that I post that I re-indexed through my program, and also YouTube video views, which is roughly about a couple hundred per actual video per day on average. So I'll go through this. You could see on my desktop here, I have, this is the backlink and indexing program, and two of my clients here, I have a SoundCloud client, their music tracks. I backlink right now at 47,836 backlinks within about a week. This one here, my arrow shown, is a website that has 56,000, and this person is getting roughly about 800 to 1,000 views a day. This person here on SoundCloud, this artist, one of my clients, he's getting roughly about 800 to 1,100 views on his account a day, which is roughly about, based on his, they think about 20 or 20 songs he has. Roughly, you could divide that up, several hundred views a day on his SoundCloud tracks. That views pushes up his algorithm in the algorithm of SoundCloud, so his music becomes discoverable because of the traffic that he's getting from the backlinks. So here's another program I'm using, okay, and I'll go through all of them. This is a backlinking program at backlink thousands of backlinks to different websites over the world that are high profile PR ranking websites that will give you traffic to your SoundCloud or to your website. And so what I do also, I also index the websites, the links, and the indexer that index to over 1,100 indexing formats of that backlinks. And you can see, I'm scrolling up and down where my arrow is the indexer program. That's also running on one of the clients with different PR websites. Okay, that's the indexer. And also I have this other one that I do backlinking of expired domains of your websites or your YouTube videos or your SoundCloud tracks or any tracks for matter of that. And it's right now one of the clients. I'm loading up over 1,100 backlinks to their SoundCloud tracks. I give them thousands of views on their account per day, which is about several hundreds per each individual tracks. So this is the redirect to expired domain that has traffic with keywords, right? And they have weight in PR ranking to rank your video within the algorithm of SoundCloud or on Google if you're a website. So that's the third program. I have the indexer and the redirect to expired domain. And also, I have this program. I'm just uploading it. This is a program that I use. I could also take your website to another level and create thousands of content that has backlinks, thousands and thousands of content, article contents to expand your website with articles and content for your website that I could also take these content and build pages for your website to get even more indexation of website traffic to your website in the back end of your website. Yeah, folks, so to recap, I have the indexer, right? I have the Redirect Pro indexer that reindex the backlinks of your websites or of your streaming product, whether it be SoundCloud or a music streaming platform you're at. And I backlink the backlinks to a reindexing to expired domain, which is, I said originally 1,100, but it's actually 11,000. 11,000 that will give you tons and tons of hundreds of streaming activity on your music on SoundCloud or any other platform that you may have. And also, of course, I have the main one, which is the backlink to authoritative sites, which gives you, as I said, one of my clients here have over 47,000 on their SoundCloud music. That'll give them hundreds of views and streaming views a day on their music, or a website that has 56,000 backlinks. That'll give them 11 to 1,400 visits on their website per day. So in a nutshell, I have several programs that collaborate to work together to get you high page ranking and authoritative traffic from Google, from the search engine, from YouTube, from Bing, from all of them. And if you're interested, below this video on YouTube, you'll see in the description the link where you could get a hold of me, and I will collaborate with you and communicate what my services are, my charges are. They're very affordable. So you just check me out and give me a link, a message on my email. And also there's a link if you're interested in getting these programs on your own and learning. It's quite a challenge to learn on your own, to put them together. I'll also provide a link where you could download the actual tutorial, the guide of how to get these programs on your own and work at it and set it up yourself. But if you don't want to go through all that complication and all that setup, which takes you quite a while to get to familiarize with these programs, probably several months, and also there's cost with maintaining them. You may have to put them on a VPS, get proxies that I have to get myself on my my network, my internet network. You got to use proxies. But if you don't want to go through all that, just contact me, and I will show my email on the bottom below this video, and we will just talk affordable pricing where I could actually maintain your website, maintain your SoundCloud, guarantee you a visit and streaming on your SoundCloud or on any other streaming tracks you have, or videos, YouTube videos, and I will set everything up for you, and we will very, very affordable, make it affordable for anyone at any types of budget that they have. And if you want to take it to another level and I could build your website for you and build contents for you and reindex and set up all those pages for you to get you garner traffic from Google and get your website on the first, second page on Google. So, as I said before, just contact me on my email below this video and shoot me a message, and I will communicate with you and let you know what my, the prices are. Very, very affordable. If you could do it a one-shot program campaign you want to do for 6 months or 3 months, but usually it takes a good 6 months for your website or your streaming tool. On YouTube, you could actually, YouTube and SoundCloud, it happens much faster within a month or so, but for a website, it takes about 6 months. So just give me a shout, and I'll, if you're interested, give me a shout. All right? Peace and out. Thank you.